Hey, how's it going? Just want to make a video on how to replace these buttons here for the windows. They kind of get, over time, kind of an ear of them breaks off, you know? Let me find what happened. So this right here, that's supposed to be a whole circle. Put it back in so I can show you guys, but back there it's held in by a tab, and this one's the one that you press in with your fingers. Press that down and it slides out as so. So I just cleaned up these edges so you can't see it when you put everything back together. Now I've already done the second part here because it requires two hands, but I went ahead and installed a new one and it's working, not popping out obviously, and I'm gonna get some good lighting here. But you see how that tab there, focus, hold on. That tab there breaks, and so this thing gets loose, and that's what really causes the break. And I'll show it to you on the old one. I just got this new one off eBay. It's not exactly the same, but it'll work. So this is the old one. So get it in focus. So you can see how that ear there, it's supposed to be a circle, full circle, and it's broken off on the bottom, so that's why it was, popping out. Or on the other side, you can see it's not broken. So how I got this out was I just used one of these picks. I got this at Harbor Freight, but these picks are everywhere and they're cheap, and they're honestly a really valuable tool to have for lots of things. So you should get a set of these. So what I did with the old one is I just put it over here and just carefully just kind of wedged it underneath and just popped it out on each side, and just yep, and it was easy replacement. Now it works. I don't have to buy a whole new unit. One end goes into something and kind of acts as like it kind of goes up and down on that, and then this one, it just pops right up, and a little satisfying snap. And then this wooden unit goes in a little bit like that as well. Alright, so I got that wooden panel wedged in. Now it just pops right down, and it should align pretty much with those screw holes. And so next I will screw those in. And just a little bit firm. You don't want to do it too tight, crack the plastic. Just needs to be firm. Just enough to hold it down and prevent rattles and whatnot. And then this little unit, pops right back in. Just be gentle, avoid cracking any of this old plastic. Alright, and so you see the switch looks a little bit different. It has a little bit different texture, and this design is a little bit different, but for $8 off eBay, honestly, can I complain? Because this whole unit even used is like $45 at least. So on a perfect car, would I replace the whole unit? Probably, but this is not a perfect car. I just want things to work. So, and this does. I hope y'all enjoyed and hope this helped you out. And hit like and subscribe if you want more E46 content. Thanks.